In this video, I'm going to go over the best ways that you can be monetizing a Facebook group and what is working now. My name is Rachel S. Lee and I make videos all about making money online. So if you're into that kind of stuff, you're in the right place. So for me personally, I've run multiple Facebook groups in my career and I've run them differently. There's different ways that you can run your group and monetize the group. So I'm going to go over a bunch of various ways and then you can decide what works best for you. Now, the very first thing though to be making money with your Facebook group is you do need to have something to sell. You do need to have an offer. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean it has to be your own offer. You can be an affiliate for someone else's offer. You could have affiliate links, be promoting an affiliate offer, and then make a commission off of it. This is actually how I started making money with my Facebook groups, was through affiliate offers. Me personally, I like to promote various online marketing softwares and then courses and coaching programs. So for your offer, you also might have your own course or your own coaching program, or perhaps you do consulting, or perhaps you have an agency or freelance business and you want to take on clients. Maybe you have a service, you're a professional, or perhaps you even have physical products. There's such a wide range of things that you can be selling in your group, but you do need to have something. And again, if you don't have your own business, I would recommend finding affiliate offers related to the niche that you are in. So the next thing that you're going to need to be monetizing your Facebook groups is optional, but I highly recommend it, which is why it's the next thing, and that is email marketing. So you can be collecting emails from your Facebook group and then selling things with the email marketing, with automated email sequences, with email broadcasts. And I just really highly recommend to use email marketing with your Facebook group, because if something ever was to happen to your Facebook group or the algorithm changes and you stop getting as much reach in your group, it's so important to also have those emails of the people in your group because you own that email list. Another reason why I like to collect the emails of the members of my free Facebook groups is because if I'm doing a live stream, let's say, in the Facebook group and I want people to show up for it, I will email my list ahead of time and let them know to show up for this live stream in the group. And I'll also email the replay out to my email list to get even more replay viewers on that video. So for collecting emails in your group, right when people request access into your group, you can ask 3 questions, and I would make one of those questions say, what is your email so we can send you whatever free thing, and then you'll have to manually collect the email or use a software. I'll link a video down below and in a card here on a software that you can use to collect emails from your group, but the person has to put the email, and then once you approve them, the email is gone. It's not stored in Facebook. So make sure to write it down, put it on a spreadsheet, or use one of these softwares. Get it in your email autoresponder and send them the free thing. And then once they're in your group, you can also collect emails by posting posts saying, who wants my free training about this? Or who wants my free guide on this? And for everyone that says me, you can then send them an opt-in page for them to put their email address. You can actually do this a lot, post different lead magnets, webinars, trainings, and you could say, I'll give you the thing, but in exchange, I get your email. You can also do written posts in your group that's not even giving a free thing, but an actual paid thing. You can do written posts about your paid services. You could say, I'm taking on new clients, or I have a couple free consultation call spots open this afternoon. Or here's a sale on this product, 10 people only for my next group coaching program, or half off this digital course. You don't have to give a discount, but you can do short written posts, medium written posts, long written posts. You can add a picture or no picture. What I like to do actually is use the same copy oftentimes that I use in my email, and then I'll turn that into a written social media post. So if I'm sending out an email about a new online course bundle that I put together, I'll copy and paste the same post into the group, and oftentimes I'll try to include some type of photo, but not always. So on your live streams in your group, I was talking about live streams earlier, you don't need to live stream all the time. I used to live stream a lot more. I'm not live streaming as much anymore. But when I do live stream, there's always a call to action, and it's typically something for sale or for people to apply to then get the next step for something for sale. So I would recommend doing live streams once a month, a couple times a month. You could also live stream once per week if you want and give value, but make sure to also have that call to action and sell something. You can also do this with pre-recorded videos. So sometimes I will take my YouTube video and I will upload the actual video file into the Facebook group. So it's like a native video in there. And I can put a written caption to that video and sell something in the written caption or in the pre-recorded video. Another way that you can make money with your Facebook group is by doing joint ventures, by doing JVs. This is similar to affiliate marketing. So perhaps you bring someone in, you have them do a guest training or a live interview. I like to do both, an interview and a training. You can do both, but then you will be promoting their offer, their course, their coaching program, their service, whatever it is, but then you make a commission off of it. To make sure enough people see that live training with the guest, you also want to make sure you're doing enough email promotion to pre-promote it and post-promote it, and written posts to pump the members up. You can also create an event page in your group too. And then my final tip for monetizing a Facebook group is actually connect with all of the members individually. Send them all a friend request on Facebook. Send them all a welcome message on Facebook. Tag them all in a welcome post and start conversing with them in the DMs and learn about them and pre-qualify them to see if they would be a good fit for the thing that you are selling. If you feel like you don't want to be so salesy in the DMs, you don't have to be. You could just be very friendly and personally invite them to come to your next live training in your group, where at the end of that live training, if they've stuck through it, they will then hear your sales pitch for whatever it is that you're selling. Facebook is not like YouTube in the sense where on YouTube you can have other advertisers advertise on your videos and you make ad revenue from that. You can't do that on Facebook. All of the sales are in your hands. But that's good news too. It's up to you on how much sales you want to be making from your group. Now, another reason too that people don't make so much money with their group is because maybe they don't have that many people in their group. So if you're looking to get more people in your group, let me know if you want a video on that, on how to grow your group, and I can create some content on that, because there's paid advertising ways to grow your group. There's organic ways to grow your group. To be making money from your group, you do need to have people in the group. So let me know in the comments if you want that video, and let me know in the comments if you are going to be implementing any of the ideas that I gave you in this video. Be sure to give it a like so other people see this video, and be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.